Fans are flipping after Lauren Jauregui shades Camila Cabello. Plus, is Lauren doing a solo collab with Steve Aoki? Hey guys, it's Ali for HollywoodLife.com, and Camila Cabello recently opened up to 17 Mag about her reasons for leaving Fifth Harmony. Kind of. Saying, Fifth Harmony wasn't the maximum expression of me individually. My fans are really going to know me from the music I'm writing. My goal is to be brave and open up my soul. Shortly after the interview came out, one of her ex-band members, Lauren Jauregui, tweeted, "Fake that confidence, B, one day it'll be real," which fans immediately took as shade at Camila. One fan called her out. Another Camila hater, "Don't bother fighting them, babe." While this fan added, "Lauren Jauregui, girl, you can't keep indirecting without spilling the tea. We want to know." Another fan lost all hope, tweeting, "Cameron isn't real." Well, Lauren was not having any of this and tweeted in her own defense, "Media assuming shit and falsely reporting hatred is so boring. Report the positive shit. There's too much negativity in this world right now." That said, Lauren also recently posted this, and we can't tell who's more excited, her, us, or Steve Aoki, who also tweeted a pic not once, not twice, not 3 times. You get it. But alright, let me know if you're Team Lauren, Team Camila, or Team This Feud Isn't Real. And subscribe down below for new videos every day.